Good morning. I've never done a voiceover before, so I don't know why I decided that this was going to be this week's video, but here we go. This is me waking up. I thought I'd do like a realistic spend the morning, spend the day-ish with me, but here's me waking up. It's my very normal life, you know, so anyway, first step, feed the dog. Obviously, I usually have a cup of tea, but I didn't feel like it, so you know, it is what it is. But get him nice and fed, he eats something. What's next? Bathroom. Get this bonnet off of my head. My hair's been looking real nice lately. I'm getting it done again next week, so I'm really excited for that. But get my hair out of this bonnet, nice and curly. Look at that, lovely. It's kind of messy, but I like the fact that it's still nice and curly. I used to have to redo my hair every single day, so this is what my hair looks like when I wake up. I am going to refresh it, so I'm using leave-in conditioning curl balm by Umberto Giannini. I think that's how you say it. I'm putting it in my water spray bottle, which I've actually never done before, but I've realized that I thought that leave-in conditioner would leave my curls like quite greasy, but it really doesn't. So I'm gonna start using that from now on, and I find it's a really good way to refresh curls. However, at my next curl appointment, which is next week, I am gonna ask about it, because like how to refresh curls properly without it being a whole thing. I work from home a lot, so it doesn't matter too much how long I spend. But anyway, moving on. Doing my eyebrows. This was a good eyebrow day today. It was really quick and easy. I also wasn't going anywhere today, so I just thought, make myself presentable, make myself feel good. I did have to go to the shop though, so we just do my mascara. You know, it is what it is. I was heavily avoiding the mascara face. I decided to overline and like draw over my Cupid's bow. Don't know why. You know what it is. Sometimes you just experiment. I was feeling myself, thinking, cute, okay, beach babe. I didn't even tidy up or anything. I just thought, you know what, this is just my realistic morning. I'm not gonna tidy up and act like it doesn't look like this all the time, because it does look like this all the time. So I'm just putting on something comfy, but like still something that kind of looks like I made an effort, and I guess I did. Here's the visual evidence that I did kind of make an effort. So my big palazzo pants, I don't even know if they're palazzo, but they're from Urban Outfitters and I absolutely love them. And then this set is from PLT. I have a video that this red top is in, because it's a co-ord. But I thought that was cute. Like I said, I do need to go to the shop, so just putting on a little jacket because it's still quite warm outside. And I'm literally only going to get milk and then maybe a little snack, a little sweet treat if I feel like it. So off we go, just making sure everything's closed, because Bear likes to rummage through clothes, as I'm sure all dogs do. Bye! That's me just saying bye for him.
2 seconds later.
It obviously wasn't 2 seconds later, but I already had that graphic in my files, so I thought, I'm gonna just put that one in, it's fine. But anyway, just got back. I literally, like I said, I went and I got milk, but I also got some cookies, a little pack of Maryland cookies. Don't tell anyone, because I've already eaten all of them. I didn't even wipe the counters or anything. Like, I'm literally looking around this video like, okay, this is very realistic, maybe too realistic. Like, you didn't even get the crumbs off the counter from breakfast. Kidding, I didn't have breakfast, as you know, because this video does not feature breakfast. Anyway, next up, I'm gonna tidy away my gaming desk, because I'm gonna start streaming. So I just wanna make sure that it's all nice and tidy. This is just from like a couple days of streaming and doing stuff on my desk. I've got my coat over my gaming chair. So I'm just gonna set up for a stream, get the room nice and ready, turn all the lights on and everything cute like that. This is my stream setup. I love it, so cute. And I've been messing around, like I recently moved into here. I've started a moving diary series, which you can watch. So it's kind of empty, but I'm starting to get my stream room together a little bit, slowly but surely. So yeah, I love it. I think it's cute. Turn the light on. I literally opened CapCut in this video, and then I immediately went on to edit this exact video that you're watching now. So this is how my morning started, and then I streamed for like 7 hours afterwards. Short and sweet, I know, but thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this style of video or not. Otherwise, I will see you again next Saturday. Love you. Bye.